Good morning. Now, to avoid the stress that was trying to get the video on time this morning, I am filming this and uploading it on Monday night. But you're reading this on Tuesday morning. Now, I did say in the good morning message that today required a protractor. There are 2 questions that require a protractor, and then there are 6 that don't. So there's lots to do if you haven't got one. If you have got one, it's very hard to teach you how to use the protractor in this circumstance. I need my visualizer. But I've put a link on the PowerPoint to a good YouTube video. Look at the YouTube videos and it will talk you through using a protractor. That would be good even if you haven't got a protractor, just for advice. But don't worry, when we are back in school, we will go through protractors. What I will do is I will talk you through information that will help you answer the other 6 questions. There's 2 on the fluency and all of the reasoning. The only questions you will not be able to answer if you've not got your protractor at home are the 2nd and 3rd fluency questions. The rest you should have no trouble with. Okay, so I'm going to bring this slightly closer, which is quite hard when it's facing me. Can you see it? Okay, this is going to be quite hard. If it dips, I apologise. This is a test of my strength holding it up. So we're going to have angles. Right angle, 90 degrees. And then on a straight line, 180 degrees. Okay, the opposite to a right angle is 270 degrees because all the angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. Look at the first number. Remove the zeros, divide them by 10, 9, 18, 27, 36. Easy way of remembering, 9 times table. So that's our basic angle information. So anything smaller than a right angle must be smaller than 90. Anything between a right angle, well, actually, before I continue, as we can see, so anything smaller than 90, anything smaller than a right angle is less than 90. So that angle, I've written it there, is acute. And the way I remember it is, a cute little baby angle. So the smallest angles are acute angles, between 1 degree and 89 degrees. There are little acute angles. Now, anything between a right angle and a straight line, so anything between 91 and 179, is an obtuse angle. Or as I like to call it, an obese angle, the big fat angles. So look, anything, even if it's just over 90 or just before 180, it's an obtuse angle. Okay then. Anything bigger than an obtuse angle, anything after a straight line, so from 181 degrees to 359 degrees, is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. So I haven't actually got a good way of learning that. I've got the song from the 80s, the reflex. But it's just anything bigger than an obese angle is a reflex. And that is the main information you need to do today. I'm actually gonna fact check myself because I can't remember if 180 degrees does qualify as an obtuse angle or a reflex. I don't want to misinform you. So look in the description, I will have put some fact checking information. Also, I'm not sure if a 360 does count as a reflex. It's because teachers, we're not infallible either. We do know lots, but we don't know everything. And that's why I'm being honest with you. I'm going to have a look. So that information I've just shown you should be enough to get you through the rest of the other 6 questions that aren't the ones using the protractor. Now, the 2 protractor questions ask you to estimate first. You can still have a go at them if you've not got your protractor. I mean, you wouldn't be able to check them, but you could make a sensible estimation. Because look here. So look here. We've got this acute angle. Well, if you look at it, is it less than half the size of 90 degree right angle? I would say it probably, if you drew a right angle there, it would probably be about half a right angle. So what's half of 90? 45 degrees. So use this information up here to help you estimate the angles, even if you've not got your protractor. And then when we're back at school, we can test them. Or an adult could say, I reckon that's in the right direction. Or even send a photo to me. I haven't got a protractor, but I could make a sensible guess. You're so super. I am so impressed with the maths you're doing. I was really worried about this lesson, but I've looked through it and thought, why am I worrying? You lot are brilliant. So do your best. I'm really proud of you. And I will see you again for maths tomorrow. Bye-bye.